Okay, so we're back at it. After the accident, we took off the wall panelings that we had here, which is the same material, just like our ceiling here in the van. So we got new panelings. We're making our template. We're gonna cut them out and then put them on the back doors. And I don't know if you guys remember, but we never screwed them in. We just used alien tape. That alien tape is crazy strong. So anyway, this is the before and we'll show you the after, hopefully later on this weekend. Okay, so we finished the back doors. We put up the wood panelings. They're being held up by alien tape. The side trim, that's being held up with wood glue. But the panels themselves, we used alien tape. Let me show you the other door. The van's a little messy. Excuse the mess. There you have the other door, the side paneling, and the wood panels. Anyway, if you haven't tried alien tape, it's very strong. It works. And hopefully these will hold up just like the last time.